yeah. We're all set. Yes! Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, it's gonna be a little different and it's gonna require your handy dandy cooking skills. I am starting a new health style for myself. I'm starting to work out, I'm starting to eat better, and I just want to change my lifestyle. Before we get started, let's just do 4 things before we get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free, and who doesn't like free? 2, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, especially Snapchat, because that's where I post all my behind the scenes of my filming. 3, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be a part of the notification squad. 4th, don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video and if it helped you in any way, shape, or form. I don't want to make this intro any longer, and let's just do it. Woo!
Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle?
So I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of what I personally buy to meal prep my food. So first we're going to be picking up some strawberries. Then we're also going to be picking up some cucumbers. You're also going to need some type of greenery like spinach or classic romaine and some chicken breast. When in doubt, chips aren't the way out. Try to stay away from chips because once you eat some chips, you're going to regret it. If you're on a diet and you're trying to lose weight, lay back on pastries, cookies, cereal, and especially bread. But if you are in need of bread, get whole wheat bread. It is not only beneficial for you, but it will help you in your health style. Like I said, you have to limit yourself in your carbs, but if you do want some type of cereal, I recommend to get one with not so much sodium and not so much carbs. So 2 that I recommend is Cheerios and Honey Bunches of Oats. Eggs are really good for you, but one thing that I do not recommend on your diet is to eat the egg yolk. So one thing that I do by myself is get the egg batter's original egg whites, and it not only saves you time from taking out the egg yolk, but it just gives you the egg whites in a carton. And now your last thing to do is check out.
Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle?
The supplies you're going to be needing are listed here for you. A cutting board, a knife, a pot, a pan spray, seasoning, cucumber, lemons, strawberries, rice, pan and tongs, bowl, plate, Tupperware, chicken breast, salad, spinach, cheese, and some forks. And we're at the kitchen with my handy dandy cooking supplies. So, just like I told you in the intro, I'm going to show you how I meal prep my food. So one thing that I do recommend is to get these containers. I got these from Dollar Tree. They also have 3 separate containers which you can put vegetables, side, and your main course meal here. So this is actually like a win-win for everybody that's meal prepping. I usually meal prep on Sundays so I can have all my meals on the go Monday through Friday. I can just get it and go to school, and that's how I myself personally meal prep. But wait, we can't start cooking without an apron. That's better. Now that we went through all that information, let's go ahead and get started with actually cooking.
Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle?
So, first to start off, we're gonna get a plate, and this is how we're gonna prep our chicken breast. So I'm gonna show you how I prep my chicken breast before we actually start cooking them on this pan. So now I'm going to be showing you how I prep my chicken breast. So first we're going to be getting a plate, and we're going to be placing our chicken breast on the plate, and I'm going to be getting some lemons just to give it a bit of more of a taste, and I'm going to be squeezing some lemon on there, and we're going to be topping it up with some seasoning. After that, we're going to do that for both sides. It's just to give it more of a taste, but you don't want to use too much seasoning because then that will add more calories. To prep my salad, I just pour it into a bowl, and I add some mozzarella cheese just to give it more of a taste.
Just meet me in the middle.
And we're actually cooking now. So before we start cooking, I just showed you how I prepped my chicken and my salad. So now we're gonna actually start cooking, and this is where the fun parts comes in, and when this apron comes in handy in case anything splatters on your clothes. You want to make sure we are protected, and I'm gonna be showing you how I grow everything. Oh yeah, it's cooking time. So now we're gonna actually start prepping our main dishes. So first we're gonna be starting with prepping our white rice. So before you cook your white rice, make sure to clean it out just to so it won't taste nasty. So after you clean your white rice, you're gonna put 6 cups of it in the pot and you're gonna steam it for 15 minutes, or it depends what kind of rice you use. It tells you in the box. After, you're gonna be spraying some Pam spray in your pan and you're gonna be cooking your chicken breast. After that, you cook it until your likings. And just a tip, you can also cut your chicken breast while you're cooking it, just to make sure it's not raw. After, I'm gonna be go ahead and prepping my fruit. So I'm gonna be cutting my cucumber and I'm just gonna be chopping it all up into smaller pieces.
Why don't you just meet me in the middle?
Wow, everything looks delicious. Now that we cooked our chicken, cut our cucumbers, prepped our salad, made our white rice, and have some extra fruit, and we have our spinach, the time has come to actually meal prep. I divide my containers as obviously Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On Mondays, I like to start easy with like a salad. So I just prep my salad and I just put just a little bit because I don't want to put too much because I want to save the rest for the rest of the week. I also get some of my chicken and just cut the chicken with my hands and just throw it all over the salad so it can look tasteful and really, really good. And it's your choice, you can just leave it like that. But for me personally, I just cut the chicken myself because it's easier and efficient. Once you have your main dish, I go ahead and add some fruit. So I'm just getting some cucumbers and just putting that in there. So now that I have my cucumbers, I'm gonna go ahead and get my strawberries and I'm gonna cut these super, super quick. So this is what one of my meal prepping bowls looks like. Just a chicken salad with some cucumbers and some strawberries for some protein, and it looks delicious. For Tuesday, we kick it up a notch and we actually go ahead and use our white rice. So what I do when I meal prep, I basically just do a pattern. So just like you saw right here, that's gonna be my Monday, and that's gonna start off our pattern. Tuesday, I'm gonna do white rice with the chicken on top with salad as a side and a fruit as a side. So that's what I do for my meal prep. I just go on a pattern. Once I finish this dish, I'm gonna repeat the same dish over here and then repeat this dish over here. And to end on Fridays, I usually mix it all together. So this is what I mean by mixing it up. I did salad with spinach and some chicken. We did some white rice as our dish and we mixed the cucumber and the strawberry. So once you did all these things successfully, you have adequately created 5 dishes for 5 days out of the week. So when you have leftovers, like, you can just eat this or throw it away. I have a chicken left, and then I have a little bit of salad left, and I have a little bit of rice left. What I just do, I just store it in containers, and whenever I'm hungry or like I come home and I'm still hungry, then I can just reheat the chicken, eat some salad, eat some rice, eat some spinach, get some strawberries. You can snack on strawberries, and yeah. But once you've done all of this, you have successfully meal prepped. Now all you have to do is close these babies up. There we go. You just close them up, and you want to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Just get your dishes. Store them in the fridge, and that's how you meal prep with Armando DIY. Let's get on with the outro. It's time for an outro. It's time for an outro. It's time for an outro. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know that you like it, and leave me a comment down below and tell me if you're gonna try any of these meal prepping ideas. Let me know down below if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a video, and so you can never miss a video that I upload. I think I'm done with talking. I've had enough, and I think I talked too much with this video. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here, and I will see you guys next Sunday with another video. Bye! Testing bloopers. Let me redo.
We're gonna be doing a Jenna talk featuring Armando, and then you go to the slide, and then Armando will be like.
Go.
Okay, ready? I want bread. 3, don't forget to be. 3, don't forget to. 3, don't forget.
What up?
Stay record. 3, don't forget to. 3, don't forget to hit that notification bell to be a part of the notification squad. 3, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be a part of the
Oh my god.
3, don't forget to be. 3. Hold on, I'm gonna get it. 3, don't forget to hit that notification bell to be a part of the notification squad. 3. Hold on, I almost fell. Wait, I wasn't looking at the camera. Wait, I wasn't looking at the camera. And we're at the kitchen. We can't start cooking without an apron.
Do I stop it or keep
No,
going?
you can just leave it. This is the behind the scenes.
Don't forget to put the little tag.
5 dishes. Oh, frick.
Do I go to
You
the...
have your 5 dishes. Zoom in a little bit. And you just put them in your microwave.
Your microwave. You just put it in the microwave and warm it up and eat it.